Hello guys, back to more videos. So today we're gonna play Coffee Tower. So anyways, we're going to skip. So anyways guys, we're going to win this game. So this is the easy game. Okay, come on. So anyways guys, we're going to play the game that is called Coffee Tower. I don't know what the term is. So anyways guys, that is easy mode. I like this game. So anyways guys, if you want to see more videos on the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, only got stage 5. Okay, only got stage 5. No, I keep on dying. Okay, only got stage 5. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Oh my god guys, okay. Let's do like this. Okay, let's do like this guys, right? Okay, so I'm going to become a pro master again. I'm gonna become a pro, right? I like this game, guys, right? I like this, but anyways, I just unsubscribe to my brother because he's annoying and I hate him so much. So, anyways, guys, just ignore my brother's channel. Just ignore it, okay? Only you should just watch my video, okay? Also, if you unsubscribe, then I'm going to unsubscribe to you. Got it? Please subscribe to my channel. I'm so sorry, guys, to just I glad you. So, anyways, okay, we're going to play the game. So, anyways, who? You annoying girl, huh? How dare you? Look at you. No. How? Oh my god. How? Look at you, silly. Yeah, I don't like you at all. See you later. Say, I don't want to see you anything else because you're so annoying. You're a noob. I don't care. Oh my god, yes! Okay, so I will ignore that. It's I just going to let's get started, guys. Okay, let's start. Ouch! Potato! Ha! Stop it, please. A potato head. A potato head. A potato head. Come on. Let's miss the thing. Or just ignore it, guys. Don't miss it. Do not miss the jump. Ouch! 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 Oh my god, how? Ouch! Ouch! Ouch, guys. Okay, that's good, guys. That's the easy game. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, we're almost made it. We made it. Also, my parents, guys. My parents are good. They're so not. I don't know what is saying about this. No. No, guys, no. Oh wait, purple. Oh, or reset. I'm not going to reset, guys. Can I reset in real life? No, it's not working. So I will just keep it for now on and just ignore. Okay. Anyways, we're going to skip. Stop. Stop lagging. Or just stop lagging, guys. Oh my god. Okay, I want to reset, guys. Okay, we're going to continue after the new video. So anyways, okay, that's good. I like to just the play button or just I don't know what is actually sure. Oh my god, it's so fast. It's so fast, guys. Oh my god. How? 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 How it's so hard? Can I just wait? Oh my god. How? How can I do that? How can I do that, guys? A potato head. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I have to reset, guys. Oh my god. Wow. How? Oh my god. Okay. That's good, guys. Okay. Okay. We're going to win that game. Out. Oh, silly. Oh, that's okay. Out, please. Out, 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 out. Out. Please. Please. Please, guys. Okay, that's good. I wanna become a YouTuber. How? Oh my god. I got reset. Oh wait. Oh wait, I should just beat her. I should just beat her instead, guys. Okay, let's beat her. Hey, wait. Hey, what are you doing? Player. Where are are you, huh? Where are you? Okay, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. People would subscribe to my channel, guys, right? Come on, subscribe to our channel. If I'm going to get 100, I don't know. What is player doing, I'm going to just chase her. I'm going to chase her instead, guys. Okay, good. What are you doing? Oh, oh my god. Okay, that's good. Alright. What are you doing? What is player doing, What are you doing? What? Bro, why I'm dying? What? Wait, how should I do that? Oh wait, where's the player, guys? Okay. Okay, this player will try to just get speed up, I guess. Bro, I keep on just miss the jump button. I miss the jump. Okay. I miss the jump, guys. Bro, where's this annoying player? Hey, what are you doing? Bro, I keep on falling. I forgot. How? Unfair. Oh. Don't you dare. No, how? Stop lagging, or I'm going to leave. Bro, it's so hard. I hate this game. Bro, stop lagging. I look like a turtle. Or just leave, I guess. I look like a turtle, guys. Why am I look like a turtle? Where's the girl? Oh my god, stop doing that. I hate this. Oh my god, stop. Stop lagging. Oh, because I'm lagging. But I don't know. Bro, stop lagging. I'm going to look like a turtle. Come on. Stop lagging. I said stop lag. You know what? I'm going to leave. I need to. I said I need to reset. Please. Are you dumb? Please. It will take an hour. Oh my god, I hate this game. Wait. I need to just beat that game, guys. Oh my god. Bro, stop lagging. Oh my god, are you serious? Hey. Bro, I look like fake tablet. 70. Bro, stop. Bro, stop lagging. Oh my god, I hate this game. Or you just gonna leave. Stop lagging or else. Oh my god, what is wrong with you? Bro, stop lagging. I keep on lagging, guys. Bro, how could I beat it? I can't even beat it, guys. I can't even beat it. Oh my god, it's so hard. Stop! Oh my god. Oh my god, stop it. I hate this. Or I'm going to leave. Stop lagging or else I'll leave. If I lag, then I'm going to leave. Stop lagging. Bro, it keeps on just freezing my tablet. Guy looks like my fake. My tablet is fake. See, it's fake. I hate this. No. What happened? Okay, so what the heck happened, guys? Oh my god. And maybe started to get lonely or just something. I don't know. I don't know what talking about is, guys. Also, I have 18 subscribers because of you. Come on, subscribe to my other channel quickly. Or I will just leave. Bro. Okay guys, so I don't know. Oh, I'm going to just get it close. I'm going to get it close. Ah! Ah! 74. Hey, wait for me. Wait for me. Who? What are you doing? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, there's AC, guys, right? Come on, it's easy, bud. Come on, you wanted to try easy. This is easy, guys. So now how to play, guys? How to play hard mode or easy? You know, let me know in the comments, guys. What is my favorite game? Okay. Oh, I keep on falling. I keep on falling. Oh! Oh, that 82. 83. I'm going to beat that game. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, we're good. Okay, I'm going to just reach 100. Oh no, I don't know. 100 million subs or just I don't know what is 88, 99. Ah! Yes, purple Gina. Purple Gina. Purple Gina. It's purple Gina, huh? Right? Guys, it's purple Gina. Okay. How? How can I do it? How can I do that first? Okay. That's good. You annoying. How dare you? Okay, that's good. That's good, guys. I like this game. This game is so awesome. Potato! Hey player, watch out! Because of you. Come on guys. Oh my god. Come on guys, we're almost there. We're almost... Oh my god. Lag. I look like a pancake. Please. Please guys, oh my god, what the... What the heck? I'm not lagging. Okay. Someone will go to spawn there. Also, 9 comments. This. Ooh. Potato. 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 Ooh. 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 Ha. Ooh. Ha. I said, okay, okay, that's good. That's good, guys. Nice, okay. Okay, guys, so this is the end of the, wait, hold on, wait, 100, why? 103, what? Ah, this player, we're going to, no, this one's hard. Oh, this player, oh my god, this hard. Oh my god, this so hard. Hard! Oh my god, guys, oh my god. Oh my god, stop lagging. Stop! How did they? Bro! Bro, I keep on dying because of this. This one is hard. I don't like this part. How? Unfair. It's unfair, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. This one is hard, guys. Oh my god. Do not. Oh, this player. Come on. Bro, come on. It will take every second. I don't know what. I don't know what this is talking about. Ouch. Stop! Bro, this game sucks. This game is disgusting. 0 out of 10. Okay, that's good. Okay, so goodbye guys.